Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And what we are going to read today? Oh, match colors with pictures. It means that by the end of this lesson, students are going to be able to identify and match colors. Now what you can do, you can take a start or you can begin the lesson by showing them different objects like this. Student, what is this? This is a yellow candle. This is a yellow candle. Good. And what is this? This is a yellow balloon. Good. And what is this? This is a yellow circle. Yellow circle. You can ask the students to look around themselves and to name the objects having yellow color. Then you can show them red color object. Student, what is this? This is a balloon. This is also a balloon. But this is of yellow color and this one is of red color. Red. And what's about this one? Yummy, yummy apple. Red apple. Red apple. Can you please look around yourself and name the things which are red in color? And here comes tasty green grapes. Grapes are of green color. Can you please look around yourself and name the objects having green color? Good. And look at here. I am having yummy, yummy orange. And orange is of orange color. Orange is of orange color. And this is a bag. And its shape is square. Yes. And it is of orange color. Can you please name other objects and other things having orange color? And what's about this one? The circle. A circle is of pink color. And can you please show me the things or name the thing having pink color? Can you please? Okay, good. After this, what you can do, you can write the names of the color here. For this, what you can do, you can distribute these objects, these pictures, flashcards among different students. Then you can name a student and you can ask him or her to come nearby you, near the board. Okay, Alia, can you please come here? Come here, Alia. Oh, and Alia is having a circle. And circle is of, Alia, which color? Pink color. Good. Look at here, Alia. Pink. Read the word. Pink. Good. Ali, you come here. And Ali is having orange of orange color. Ali, read the word orange. Orange. Good. And Manzar, you please come here. And Manzar is having grapes of green color. Green. 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 And Musaf, come here. Musaf is having an apple of red color. Red color. You have to focus on the recognition of the names of the things, of the objects. After this, what you can do, you can give them a piece of paper. You can divide the papers among the student and you can ask them to draw anything they want to draw and write down the name of the color of that very thing and then color that very object. Then you can do that, what you can do, you can distribute these pictures or these flashcards or handouts among the student and you can ask them to write down the name of the color at the back. At the back. After this, you can re-invite them for a board activity, and for this activity, you are going to draw objects here, or you can paste the pictures. Well, I am drawing an apple, an orange, I am having a leaf, and I am having a flower. Now I'm going to invite different students here. Yasir, please come here. Read the word. Read the name of the color. This is pink. Look at these objects or things which can be of pink color. Apple? No. Orange? No. Leaf? No. Flower? Yes. Okay, match it. Very good. Nayar, now you come here. Read this word. Orange. The name of the color is orange. Can an apple be of orange color? No. Can an orange be of orange color? Yes. Match it. After doing this exercise on the board, you can ask the students to open their books at page number 48. You can ask them to read the name of the colors. Then what you can do, you can ask them to name the pictures, name the colors of the pictures, and then match the name of the colors with the concerned picture. You can invite them for a very interesting activity that they can make 7 big pencils using chart paper and color them differently. As an homework, you can ask them to draw different pictures or paste different pictures on their notebooks and write down the name of the colors. Thank you very much.